written by Jerry Snyder. Focus question: what makes the dragonfly an amazing insect? Amazing dragonflies. You're walking past a lake or stream when suddenly, bzzzt, something big, shiny, and green zooms past your head. It's bigger than a bumblebee. It's faster than a butterfly. It's an amazing dragonfly. What are dragonflies? Dragonflies are flying insects with long bodies and two pairs of wings. They come in every color of the rainbow: bright red, sunny orange, even metallic blue, green, and gold. Some dragonflies have colorful stripes on their wings or bodies. Some even change colors over time. Dragonflies are often confused with damselflies because the two kinds of insects look like each other. You can tell dragonflies and damselflies apart when they land. The damselfly isn't flying. It folds its wings together and holds them back above its back. Dragonflies' wings can fold like a damselflies. Dragonflies keep their wings stretched out to ease the sight of all the time. Young dragonflies. Dragonflies need water during every stage of their life cycle. Adults lay their eggs in the water or on plants near waters. The young dragonflies, called nymphs, live in water for 1 or more years after hatching. Nymphs look very different from adult dragonflies. They have gills inside their bodies, which allow them to breathe underwater. Dull green or brown coloring helps them hide from predators such as fish and frogs. To escape predators, they squirt a powerful stream of water through their gills. It launches the nymphs forward at a high speed. As nymphs grow, the skin doesn't grow with them. Instead, dragonflies nymphs shed their entire outer layer each time they need to grow. When a nymph is ready to become an adult, it crawls out of the water. The adult dragonfly becomes out of the last shed layer. Super sight. Dragonflies have an amazing eyesight. Each eye is made of about 30,000 tiny sections. As adults, dragonflies have the largest eyes of any kinds of insects. They can see in almost directions at once. Dragonflies' super eyesight help them catch prey. They can find a single target even in a swarm of thousands. Amazing flight. Adult dragonflies are among the world's fastest flying insects. They reach speeds of 100 body lengths per second. That's more than 22 miles, 36 kilometers per hour for a large dragonfly. When a dragonfly zips into high speed, its speeds are faster than the world's fastest race cars. Male dragonflies defend their homes against the other males. If they spot an instructor, they fight by performing high-speed flight displays. These contests let dragonflies show off their speed and size without being hurt. Unlike most flying insects, dragonflies control each wings independently. They can hover like a helicopter or swoop to dive like a fighter jet. They can fly forward, backward, and even upside down. Amazing hunters. An adult dragonflies a high-speed flying predator, one of the most successful hunters in the animal world. Scientists say that the dragonfly catches its prey more than 9 times out of 10. Compare that to light, which catches its dinner only 1 out of 4 tries. Dragonflies can deliver rapid, powerful bites. They surprise mosquitoes from the other small insects by attacking from behind and below. They often eat their catch without bothering to land. Dragonflies for dinner. Dragonflies' flying skills help them avoid most predators. Many animals like to eat dragonflies. Birds, lizards, frogs, spiders, and even other dragonflies. Not many can catch these speedy insects. Humans eat dragonflies too. In many parts of the world, dragonflies are a special treat. You can buy them threaded onto sticks like a skinny corn dogs. Swarms. Sometimes dragonflies gather in huge groups of swarms. They may swarm to feed on a large number of insect prey found in one place. They also swarm to fly south as the weather cools, the way the birds travel south for the winter. Dragonflies worldwide. There are nearly 3,000 kinds of dragonflies. They are found all around the world in almost every kind of habitat. Check out a nearby stream, pond, or lake and see if you can spot their fancy flavors for yourself. Connections. Writing. Using the information in this book, write a personal narrative from the perspective of a dragonfly. Science. Design a habitat for a dragonfly. Use facts from the book to create a habitat.
You passed. Look at you go! A perfect score!